What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at these gloves that I just got in. These are basically electronic gloves. They work on any touchscreen so that you don't have to take your gloves off to use it in extremely cold weather. So what do I mean by this? Now, the company Mujjo has come up with this idea of making these gloves. These are made out of a very fleece-like 3M material. They're insulated. They're double insulated, actually. They have silicone grips in specified places so that you're not going to drop your device. Now, let's give it a quick test. This is a large. Now, it fits my hand really snug. I'm gonna put the other one on just so you can see how they look when you have both pair, when you have the pair on. So right away, they feel extremely comfortable. They're nice and premium. They are fitted to my hand. Now let's see if they're gonna work. This is my iPad right here. I'm just gonna pick it up. There we go. Extremely responsive. Everything is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. There we go. Everything looks good. I mean, they really work. Now, as far as having a phone in my hand, screen, swipe, oh, same thing with the phone. Very nice, very smooth, very responsive. So yeah, go by their website. I'm gonna leave a link below to these gloves. I'm really enjoying these. Like I said, you're going to be able to go out in the weather and use your phone, your tablet, whatever you need, any kind of touch screen. You're going to be able to do that through the comfort of these gloves. And if you can see those silicone little ridges, you're going to be able to grip your device and not have it slip out of your hand. So until next time, guys, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.